Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll get to know how to reset your GoogieHost password. Let's get started. First, visit the GoogieHost website. Click on the Sign In button. On the login page, you will be asked to enter your email and password. Since you do not remember the password, click on Forgot Password. Enter the registered email address associated with your GoogieHost account. Then click on Submit. You will receive a password reset email from GoogieHost. Check your inbox. Also check the spam folder if you do not see it. Open the email. Click on the Reset Password button provided in the email. Enter a new strong password. Confirm the password. Click on Submit. After resetting the password, go back to the login page. Log in using your new password. Your password has been successfully reset. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.